Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about static code analysis and we will analyze the Android manifest file. So let's start. We have here two options. We can use the JDX tool and we can analyze the manually also. So first of all, we have to decompile the application by using the APK tool. So analyze. So here we have a APK file, dev application APK. So let's decompile this by using the APK tool. APK tool decompile and dev application dot apk. Hit enter. So it decompile the application. So here we have the application, dev application, and it is decompiling. Yeah, it's done now. So here we have the application. Open it, and here first of all we have to check this Android manifest file. Double click on it, and multiple vulnerabilities we can check in this file, in the Android manifest file. Okay, so first of all, there are some permissions. Okay, these permissions you have to check. So these permissions is depend on the application means if there is some banking application, or there is some only shopping application or gaming application. Some application require the camera access, some application require the contact access, some application access some your internal storage access. So depend on the application, so there are some permissions. Okay, so depend on the functionality or depend on the application. So if you are working on any like a client project, then you can contact with the developer or client. So is this necessary for that application or not? Is it compulsory, read internal storage or internet access? Mostly like nowadays every application work with the internet, so definitely we need a internet to access some application. But write external storage, it's a dangerous permission. So if this permission is there in the Android manifest file, then it's a vulnerable. Okay, so you can give this vulnerability also, insecure Android manifest file. Got it? So next, we will check. First of all, we will check any API keys, any Firebase URL, any random URL, any IP address, or any information in this Android manifest file. So Control F, we will check, is there any API key, or Google Map API, Gmap API key? No. G or Google, no. Map, we don't have any Google Map API key, anything, we don't have any key here. Okay, so next we will check, is there any phone number available in this? Don't have phone number. Is there any username? No. Is there any password? No. So we will check any other information, like is there any Firebase URL? Firebase, enter. No, we don't have any Firebase. So if is there any other file, like any other sensitive data, so like that we can check here. These are the token. No. So we will check, is there any URL of that application and that disclose any sensitive information? So we can check http:/, hit enter. Only one URL we are getting, but it's not related to this application. So https:/, no, we don't have any sensitive information in this file. Now one more thing is there. There is one vulnerability, task hijacking. So for the task hijacking, if is there task affinity attribute available in this file, then like we cannot perform the task hijacking vulnerability. So if the task affinity attribute is missing in this file, then we can perform the task hijacking attack. Okay, so we have to check task AWFI. No, so task affinity attribute is not there, then we can perform the task hijacking attack. Okay, so task hijacking attack we will perform or we will check in the other videos. It's a like a little bit lengthy process. First of all, we have to create a new build, and we have to give the package name of this application. Then we have to open in the like a physical device. Then we can confirm that like is there any like then we can hijack the task of this application. So we will check this in the other video.